multiply binomials using algebra tile. So we have already done 2 videos on this, and now let's first list the steps and then follow the steps, right? So this time we have x minus 2 times 2x plus 3. So these are the binomials. First step is to define our rectangle, correct? So that is the first step. So our rectangle here has width of x minus 2 and length of 2x plus 3. So that is the first step. The second step is to sketch, I should say, product mat. So we will sketch product mat. So on this we will actually mark algebra tiles. Okay, so let's do this step now. It really means that you make open rectangle first. So that's kind of extended length and width. And on this rectangle, we will mark width and length. Width is x minus 2. It really means 1x tile length. So that is our x length. Minus 2. Minus will be signified with a negative color, but at present we'll just draw the guidelines, right? So we have here width of x minus 1 minus 1. That gives us x minus 2. Now length is x 2x. So we have first, this is 1x. Then we have 2x, right? So that is 2x and 3 units. 1, 2, and 3. Now these guidelines will help us to really fit in the algebra tiles, right? So what we have along the length is 2x, that is x and x, that is 2x, and plus 3. So, okay, so 1, I should write plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So these are my 3 units. Now when I have to place a tile here, it is x square tile, right? So x square tile is blue for us. So let me just shade blue. So that is our x square tile. X times x is x square tiles. Let me shade this one also blue, right? So we have 2 x square tiles. Then we have x times plus 1. So that is 1 x tile. So there are 3 of these x tiles, which we are using green color for x tiles, positive. So that is our positive green tiles, which represents x. Now minus 1 times x gives us minus x. So we need a negative. So that is the red tile. So this is the red tile, which represents negative x. So these are 2 here and 2 here also. So we have correct. So we got 4 of these negative x tiles. Now we have minus 1 times minus 1. So these are also negative 1s. So these are negative 1 tiles. Let me shade them. They are also red for us. Negative 1 tile. So we got 6 of these. Now the next step is to arrange them. So we have done, at this stage, we made a product mat, we marked the algebra tiles, and on that tile we have placed algebra tiles, right? With right colors, right? So red ones are negative, all others are positive. Now we have to rearrange to simplify the polynomial, right? So let us rearrange the tiles. So we have 2x square tiles, one, These are my two x squared tiles. Then I have 3 positive x I'll give a gap between them so that I can draw the red tiles in between. We have 3 positive x tiles, 1, 2, 3, 4 negative x tiles. And then we have 6 of these negative ones. So let me draw these 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see here, positive and negative x tiles become 0, right? So that cancels out. So they become zeros, right? So what you are really left with is 2x squared negative x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 negative, right? So that is the result of x minus 2 times 2x plus 3. So that is how we can multiply binomials using algebra tiles. I'll appreciate you go through this video once again, try to understand all the steps and then move forward. Thank you and all the best.